Dear friends, let me now move to descriptive statistics MCQ part 3. We have already done part 1 and part 2. This is part 3. This is part of the series Test Your Knowledge in Business Statistics in the Age of AI, Module 3. Let me start now the questions in the order and then give the answer. Question 7. When is the median preferred over the mean as a measure of central tendency? A, when the data set is small. B, when the data set contains outliers. C, when the data set has no variability. D, when the mode is absent. Recollect your knowledge on the properties of the three popularly used measures of central tendency, namely mean, median, and mode. You will get the answer. Okay, let me give the answer. The choice is B, answer B, which is the correct one. That's the correct one, answer B. When the data set contains outliers. Why? The median is robust to outliers. It has greater resistance to outliers than the arithmetic mean, which is very much impacted adversely by the outliers. And the median represents the center in a much better fashion than any other measure, particularly in the skewed data sets. So, choice B is the right one. Let me now proceed to question 8. For the data set 10, 10, 12, 14, 18, 20, what is the mean absolute deviation, MAD in acronym? There are 6 observations. So you know the formula for calculating the mean absolute deviation. Let me explain this for this example. When you take your own time to put down your choice according to your understanding, I give you 2-3 seconds. And the deviations are absolute, we ignore the sign, as you know. Okay, let me flash the answer. Answer is B. The first step is to calculate the arithmetic mean. When I add these numbers, 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 20, I get 84 divided by 6. The arithmetic mean is 14. Subtract the arithmetic mean from each observation now and ignore the sign, without the sign. The absolute values you take. So 10 minus 14 is 4. 10 minus 14 is 4 again. 12 minus 14 is 2. 14 minus 14 is 0. 18 minus 14 is 4. 20 minus 14 is 6. These are the absolute values when I ignore the sign. Now you add all this. 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6. What do you get? You will get 20, isn't it? Divide this by 6. You get 3.33. And that is the answer. Therefore, choice B is the right one. Let me move to question number 9. If a data set has a negatively skewed distribution, which of the following relationships holds true? A, mean greater than median, greater than mode. B, mean less than median, less than mode. C, mean is equal to median, is equal to mode. D, Mean less than median, greater than mode. What is your correct answer? According to your understanding, you note down. Take a couple of seconds. Okay, let me give the answer. The answer is B. Mean less than median, less than mode. In a negatively skewed distributions, the mean is pulled toward the lower values. So in any negatively skewed distributions, the mean is pulled toward the lower values, followed by the median, with the mode remaining at the peak. Therefore, choice B is the right one. Question 10. In a box plot, if the whisker on the right is much longer than the whisker on the left, what can you infer about the data? Interesting question. A, the data is symmetric. B, the data is negatively skewed. C, the data is positively skewed. D, the data has no outliers. What is the correct choice? Take a couple of seconds. Okay, let me now flash the answer. The answer is C. The data is positively skewed. Why? A longer right whisker indicates that the data has a tail stretching toward larger values, characteristic of positive skewness. So choice C is the right one. With this, we have concluded module 3, and we will soon proceed to module 4, MCQ. Thank you very much.